Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders. So today we'll be analyzing Euro NZD, right? So before we take a look at the technicals, let's quickly take a look at the fundamental perspective, right? So right here on Forex Factory, we can see that we have quite a number of high impact news coming up during the week. Amongst them is AUD. We have AUD. For AUD, it's ROBA governor is going to speak, and for Euro, we are going to have the German flash manufacturing PMI. And for GBP, we have flash manufacturing PMI. And for AUD specifically, really, we have a CPI, AUD CPI coming up this week. And it's really going to be interesting to see how GBP AUD is going to react, right? So AUD has been weak for quite some time now. And let's see if it's going to be up again. And also, we see that we have CHF, SNB monetary policy assessment, and then SNB policy rate. And right here, we can see that they are looking at the forecast is going to remain as it was. And let me just take a deep look into SNB policy rate. And from here, we can see that the previously on June, right? So the forecast was this, and this was the actual. So they had to cut it in on June, and also we saw that they have actually been cutting their interest rate for a very long time, and I was surprised when I first saw this, right? And I had to go and check, and I realized that they are actually easing monetary policies simply because of inflation is very, very low, right? Currently. So if you look at your CPI, you're going to see, and some other index, you're going to see quite a number of a lot of reasons why they had to lower or ease monetary policy, right, in Switzerland currently. And it's actually interesting, honestly. All right, so let's quickly delve into the technicals and see what we have for the week. So this is my weekly time frame on Euro NZD right now. So I just want us to go back a bit, and we can see that Euro NZD has been breaking structures consistently on the weekly time frame. You can see a break of structure to the upside. Price came, retraced back to the other block, and then traded away from it. And then when it traded away from it, price did not come back to the other block immediately. And we saw that price created the swing low here and then created a new high and broke it, which caused a break of structure here again. And price returned to this break of structure and then broke another structure again. Although this was with a wick, but it's a valid swing high, right? Although not a valid break of structure. So right now we can see that currently we have a new break of structure. Right. So when price got to this point, price retraced and then broke again. It shows the willingness of Euro NZD to continue soaring higher. Right. So where should we position to enter this market? Where we should position is simply the order block when price returns. So we actually advise that you refine your order block. Right. So let's just refine it to the daily time frame. So you can see how beautiful it is, right? So now that we have a break of structure to the upside on daily time frame, we'll just wait for the other block. You can as well refine it further, let's say to this point. That all depends on you. So you'll be taking that this psychological level, which is 1.97. So it will align with it and it will be amazing, right? So personally, I'm going to wait for price to come to this point for me to join this buy, right? So that's it. So let's really take a look at the analysis we did last week. So this is GBP AUD. We did analysis last week and we said that we are looking to sell GBP AUD, right? So for now, however, on the weekly time frame, I want us to know that we are still very bullish. We are still very bullish on the weekly time frame. So as long as price does not break out this low, we are still bullish. So that means that if we get any buy opportunities here, we can take them, right, temporarily. And on the daily time frame, we can look for sell continuation, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. God bless you.